Tacoma Dad here. I'm with my special guest,
Jaden.
Jaden, let's take a look around the truck. What does Rimmon stand for?
Room and brakes in front of the truck.
Yeah, so we can stop better, right?
Yep.
What kind of shocks does the front of the truck have?
Bill steam shocks.
Yeah, they're 6112s. Remember that? What are these?
Lark bar.
Light pods, yep. With the Rago fabrication ditch light brackets. Let's carry on to the back of the truck. What kind of shocks are those?
Icon brakes.
Icon shocks, yep. What kind of tires do we have on the truck?
Falcon tires.
Falcon tires, they're Wild Peaks, yep. You remember what kind of wheels?
ME.
MB wheels, yep. 17-inch MB wheels.
Body armor. Body armor.
Body armor what?
Huh? Body armor bumper.
Yeah, it's a body armor bumper. Do you remember what these were?
And shackles.
Yeah, they're shackles. Isn't there 2 lights in there too? Looks like that one's a little fogged up.
Yep.
Let's take a walk to the front. What's your favorite part about the truck?
The Toyota box in back. The snorkel.
You weren't supposed to give that away.
The snorkel.
The snorkel's from
Snorkel bumper.
SoFlo Bumper Snorkel. And that ties right into the airbox. We put this on too, didn't we?
Yeah. What is it? OEM roof rack?
Yeah, it's the OEM roof rack. And some ABS rain guards. You have a special surprise for everybody? What is that?
A Toyota Tacoma from Marlin Crawler.
Taco box from Marlin Crawler. That is right. This is something we've been waiting on for a while, isn't it?
Uh-huh. It's brand new. We haven't put it in the truck yet.
It's a beauty, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
That's the best piece of equipment I've ever seen.
It makes our truck go by itself.
Yep. It can make the truck go by itself.
It makes us climb up our own steep hills, so my dad only has to steer. It's really cool.
We're going to test that out too, aren't we?
It's sweet. Yeah. We're going to Moonlight this weekend, so we're going to test it out there maybe. If you enjoyed my dad's videos, subscribe Tacoma
Dad.
Tacoma Dad. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye.